Package included, Blackpool, 007, plus Studio White Arctic White, 011. Classic shades for all seasons and daily wearing. 21 days high gloss wear, on like polish, wears like gel, off in minutes. Mirror shine finish. No nicks, chips or smudges. Gloss shine and long lasting. Soak-off gel nail polish need to be cured under nail lamp. Base coat and top coat nail polish are required. Also, you could use nail prep dehydrator for long time wearing. Average curing time suggested 30 to 120 secs. With proper application, you could enjoy 21 days manicure. Easy to use ideal gift. With improved consistency of gel nail polish, the gel nail polish set are smooth and easy to apply. The gel nail polish kit is an ideal gift for anniversary, Thanksgiving, Christmas, birthday, holiday, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day. DIY nail art. Enjoy your manicure nail art time with family, friends at home. Top reviews from the United States. Opaque but thick. Very pleased that they are both full-size bottles, 10 milliliters each. Great coverage, but they are slightly more viscous than other gels. Despite the consistency, no problems with curing or application. Highly recommend.